Hi children, today we are going to learn about measuring capacity. What is capacity? Capacity is the maximum amount that the object can hold. For example, here we have a teacup. The maximum amount of tea that can be filled in this cup is called its capacity. In the same way, here it is a pressure cooker. The maximum amount of rice that can be filled in this pressure cooker is called the capacity of this pressure cooker. Similarly, this is a water bottle and the maximum amount of water that can be filled in this water bottle is called the capacity of this water bottle. In the same way, this is a bag. If you put some toys in this bag means the maximum amount of toys that this bag can hold is called the capacity of this bag. Now we are going to see about greatest and least capacity. We are going to learn greatest and least capacity. See here children, she is Reshu. Reshu's mother had prepared 2 jars of cookies for the festival. Reshu's mother prepared 2 jars of cookies for the festival. And her mother said, give the greatest capacity jar to your father and give the least capacity jar to your brother. What her mother said? She said, give the greatest capacity jar to your father and give the least capacity jar to your brother. At that time, Reshu's brother came. Reshu's brother got some doubt. How will you find which jar has greatest capacity and which jar has least capacity? For that, Reshu explained that the jar which is big, will have the greatest capacity. The jar which is big will have the greatest capacity. Because this big jar will contain more cookies. The big jar will contain more cookies. So the big jar will have greatest capacity and the jar which is small will contain only little amount of cookies. The jar which is small will contain little amount of cookies. So the small jar has least capacity. The big jar will have greatest capacity and the small jar will have least capacity. The object which is big has greatest capacity. See children, any object which is big will have greatest capacity and the object which is small has least capacity. Any object which is small in size will have least capacity. Similarly, see here, we have a water in 2 containers. We have water in 2 containers. One is in glass and another one is in jug. We want to find which has the greatest capacity and which has the least capacity. See here children, the jug is big in size. The jug is big in size than the glass. So the jug will have greatest capacity. So the jug will have greatest capacity and the glass of water is small. A glass of water is small. So it will have least capacity. It will have least capacity. Similarly, see here, we have a spoon and the bucket. We have a spoon and the bucket. Now, we have to find which will have greatest capacity and which will have least capacity. Now, here, The bucket is big in size. The bucket is big in size. So the bucket will have greatest capacity. The bucket is big in size. So the bucket will have greatest capacity. Same way, spoon is small. Spoon is small. So the spoon will have least capacity. The spoon will have least capacity. See here children, we have three different containers here. We have three different containers here. Now we want to find which two container has same amount of capacity. We have to find which two container will have same amount of capacity. Same amount of capacity means both objects should be in same size. Both objects should be in same size. See here. In this, these two objects are same in size. So, these two containers will have same amount of capacity. These two containers will have same amount of capacities. Children, now it's your activity time. Take a glass of water and take a water bottle. Transfer the water in the glass to the water bottle. Check how many glasses of water the water bottle contains and see which has greatest capacity and which has least capacity. Thank you.